Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about OnlineJobs.PH, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you leave a review for one of your VAs in OnlineJobs.PH? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to leave a review for someone on OnlineJobs.PH anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs and you want them to do well in life. And by leaving them a review on their profile can help increase the chances they find other work. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your OnlineJobs.PH account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to leave a review for one of your VAs, first what you want to do is go to this account button here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and generally you want to go here to time proof. Okay, so once you do that, you'll see all of the assistants that you're working with and you just want to choose the one you want to leave a review for. So I'll choose this one right here. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see their profile, and in order to leave them a review, you just want to scroll down until you get here to employer reviews and just click on this button, add a review. Okay, so now you can go ahead and type in a review. So what's going to happen is after you type in this information, it's going to show up right here. Generally, when I'm leaving a review for one of my VAs, I'll go ahead and try to put as many keywords in that they help me with as possible. So for this one, I would probably put something to do with social media management, Facebook groups, and then something to do with their work ethic. So prompt, professional, courteous. So let me go ahead and type this in now. Okay, so here's the review that I left. Hazel helped us manage social media accounts like Facebook groups that are related to real estate. She is courteous, easy to train, and makes suggestions that are relevant to our online work. Thanks. Okay, once you're done, go ahead and click on add a review. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see my review right here. So now anytime she applies for a job and someone is looking through their account, they're going to be able to see the feedback and review that I left here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to leave your VA a review on OnlineJobs.PH, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.